Department. On August 14, 2024, at approximately 15:07 hours, Wyman Bryant and Willow Bryant were taken by David Walker James and Tiffany Bryant in the city of Los Angeles County. Wyman Bryant is a 4-year-old white male with blonde hair, blue eyes, standing 3 feet 5 inches tall and weighing 34 pounds. Willow Bryant is a 2-year-old white female with blonde hair and brown eyes, standing 2 feet tall and weighing 20 pounds. David Walker James is a 53-year-old white male with gray hair, blue eyes, weighing 170 pounds. Tiffany Bryant is a 39-year-old white female with blonde hair, brown eyes, standing 5 feet and 4 inches tall and weighing 100 pounds. The suspects were last seen driving a 2008 Champagne Buick Enclave with paper license plates. This scene called 911.
Pounds. Tiffany Bryant is a 39-year-old white female with blonde hair, brown eyes, standing 5 feet and 4 inches tall and weighing 100 pounds. The suspects were last seen driving a 2008 Champagne Buick Enclave with paper license plates. If seen, call 911. Tiffany Bryant in the city of Los Angeles County. Wyman Bryant is a 4-year-old white male with blonde hair, blue eyes, standing 3 feet 5 inches tall and weighing 34 pounds. Willow Bryant is a 2-year-old white female with blonde hair and brown eyes, standing 2 feet tall and weighing 20 pounds. David Walker James is a 53-year-old white male with gray hair, blue eyes, weighing 170 pounds. Tiffany Bryant is a 39-year-old white female with blonde hair, brown eyes, standing 5 feet and 4 inches tall and weighing 100 pounds. The suspects were last seen driving a 2008 Champagne Buick Enclave with paper license plates. If seen, call 911.